Welcome to Melbourne, where the local time is 9:10 a.m. on Tuesday the 22nd of October. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. And if your mobile phone is handy, you can now switch it on, although use within the customs hall is prohibited. We do hope you enjoyed the in-flight entertainment. Please leave your headset on the seat or in the seat pocket in front, and we'll take care of them for you. If you are continuing on a Qantas or a Jetstar domestic flight, please make your way to the Qantas domestic terminal once you've cleared customs and immigration and collected your bags. If you are continuing on another international flight, including Jetstar International, and currently hold a boarding pass, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. If you don't currently hold a boarding pass, please make your way to the transfer desk. And as always, the Qantas ground team is happy to assist. Do take care when opening your overhead lockers, as your bags may have moved and could fall out. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you will be leaving through the forward left-hand doors. Remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. And smoking is not permitted throughout Melbourne's International Airport. Once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. On behalf of the Qantas team, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. Do remember, when planning your next trip, make your first destination Qantas.com. We hope you enjoyed your journey and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.